Welcome back again to my class. So we will have another lesson. So we have union and intersection of sets. Okay, so we will have this figure 1 first. So we have set A, set B, and set C. Okay, observe the figures presented in your screen. What have you observed? What have you observed in set C? Alright, all the elements in set C are the elements in set A and set B. So we have this smiley face, and then we have this figure. This figure is present in A and B, but we will just write it as 1. Dili na to siya ibalik-balik or i-repeat. We also have this. Mo na siya. And we also have this arrow. So this one. And then we also have this circle. Nara siya. And this heart. Sana yung puso natin okay lang. Just to add, or para lang happy ta. Para dili lang kayo mo maboard. So, since bata pa man mo class, ayaw sa yun mag-love. Asa naman na pag mo graduate. Okay, so this is called union of sets. But I will discuss further on what is union of sets later. So, mo na siya. All the sets in A and B are in C. So, giusa lang nato. Katong mga gabalik-balik nga mga elements sa A and B, kas ara to siya isulat, dili pwede ibalik-balik. So, how about this? Set A and set B and set C. What have you observed in our set C? What have you observed? We only have this symbol or this figure nga present sa A and B. So, mo na siyang ginatawag nga intersection of sets. So, you will know further later kung unsa ang intersection of sets. So, kung ang math, di ba, kay naa siya multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division. So, mo na siya ang basic operations sa math. But, in set, we also have the basic set operations. And then, for now, we will tackle first the 2 basic set of operations. Then, the other 2, we will discuss that later or in our next lesson. So, first, we have union of sets. So, the set of elements that belongs to set A or set B or both, denoted by this symbol. So, A union B, mo na siya. This can be read as A union B. So, when we say union of sets class, the set of elements that belongs to set A or set B or both. So, the elements in set A and set B, imo siyang i-combine. So, first, we have this example. Find the union of A, which has an elements of 2, 3, and 4. And then B as 3, 4, and 5. So, unsa na to na siya pagsulat? So, di ba we have 2, i-combine na to na siya, we have 2. Then, as you can see, we have 3 in set A and 3 in set B. So, isulat na to na siya as 1. Dili na to siya pwede isulat as 2, then comma, then 3, then comma na po, then 3. Dili. So, isulat lang na to siya as 1. Pag magsulat ganito og set, dili siya pwede nga i-balik-balik or i-repeat na tong sulat ang isa ka element. So, we have here our solution. A union B is equals to 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, diba, as you observe, we only wrote the 3 and 4 once. So, mao na siya, class. I-note na ninyo, ha? So, when we say union of sets, i-combine na to ang elements nga naa sa set A and set B. So, then we will just use this symbol, A union B. Okay, let's have the another set of operation. So, the intersection of sets. In this set, the elements that is common between the set A and set B, and the symbol is denoted with this. So this can be read as A intersection of B or A intersection B. So sa intersection, class, the elements nga common sa A and B. So mao na to ang intersection. When we say intersection, unsa ang elements nga common or pariha, unsay pariha sa duha ka set A and B. So mao nang ginatawag nga intersection. So example, we have find the intersection of A. Set A has an elements 2, 3, and 4, and set B has an elements of 3 and 4 and 5. So, unsay common sa duha ka set? Naa by 2 sa B? No. How about 3? How about 3? Do we have common in B? Yes. So, we have 3. How about 4? Can we find 4 in set B? Okay, that's correct. So, we have 4 and then 5. No more. So, the only common between the set A and B is 3 and 4. So, we will just write it like this. So, A intersection B is equals to 3 and 4. Okay, that's it. Kuha wala. Okay, very good. So let's proceed to another example which is more complicated than this. So sayo na siya, di ba? Okay, that's good. So we have more examples for you. Okay, let's have a given. So we have set X has an elements of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12, and set Y is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. And we have our set Z, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Okay, find the following. A, X, sa pagbasaan ni, X union Y, and our B, X union Z intersection Y. Y intersection Z, and then we have our D, Y intersection X union Z. A bit more complicated, but let's make it easier for you, class. I know dali ra gyud kini sa inyo. Kamu pa. Okay, so let's answer first our letter A. Okay, so let's have our example or solution for letter A. So, unsa ganing gipangita sa letter A? So, we have X union Y. So, when we say union, i-combine nato ang elements sa X and Y. So, first, we have to write the 2. Then, 3. Right? 4. We don't have 5, so let's proceed directly to 6. 6 is common between X and Y. So, again, kas-ara na to isulat ang elements. So, we will just write 6. And then, we have 8. Then, 9. And then, 10. So, we also have 12. and then 15. Okay, so mo na atong X union Y. So these are the elements. So how about if we have this X union Z and then intersection Y? X union Z and Z intersection Y. So first, imano-mano na to siya solve. So para dili mo malibog o para mas masabtan ninyo siya. So we will just solve it first, this one. Let's do this first. So X union Z. So this is our X and this is our Z. So you will write or we will write the common or i-combine nato tanan elements na sa X and Z. So we have 1 first, then 2, then 4 is common between the two. So we will just write 1. Ana. So we have 4, then 6, 7, 8, 10, so 12, 13, 16. Okay, so we already have this. Diba? Humanataan ni. So, pagkuha din nato sa intersection Y, ato ning i-combine. Diri ta magkuha intersection Y. So, mao na dayon na siya. Atong gamiton kay kani nga elements o ang elements sa Y. Unsa gani pasabot pag intersection? Common sa duha ka elements. So, duha ka set, sorry. So, this set, we will use all these elements and these elements. So, observe, can we find 1 in set Y? No. How about 2? So, we will just cross out. So, walay 1. Oh, sorry. Di man siya cross out. Okay, let's have this. 1 na 2, wala. How about 4? No. 6. Okay, na ay 6. How about 7? Do we have 7? No, so crush. 8? No. 10? No. 12? Yes, we have 12. And 13? No. 16? No. So our elements is only 6 and 12. So we will just write this like this. 6 and 12. So, di ba sayon na siya, class? So, mo lang na siya. So, let's proceed to 3. Y intersection Z. So, we will use the elements in Y and the Z. So, intersection again, common between the two sets. Okay? Do we have 3 and Z? No. Do we have 6? No. Do we have 9? No. Do we have 10? No. Do we have 12? No. Do we have 15? No. So, null set or empty set. Kaya wala may common sa sa Y and Z. So, we will just use this symbol. Okay, let's proceed to this. Y intersection X, then union Z. So, let's first have this one. Okay. So, Y intersection X. So, this is our Y and this is our X. Okay, can we find 2 and Y? No. How about 4? No. 6. Yes, we have 6 here. 8. No. 10. No. 12. Yes, there is 12. So, we have 6 and 12. So, mas easier na din sa ato pagka union Z. So, just this elements and this one. So, you will just write everything. 1, 4, 7, 6, 6, then 7, 10, 12. Since we have 12, then 13, and 16. So, easy, right? So, mao lang na siya for our lesson for today. Kaya dili na kayo mo ma-drain sa kadagan. But, mao ni siya. Inani lang ang process. We need to step-by-step process para mas dali na masabtan ang topic. So, that would be all for today. I hope you learned something. And see you on our next discussion. Goodbye, everyone, and have a good day.